Hi guys. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how to import my data visualizations from Tableau onto my web application. So this is the project that I have done in the past, and I have to create a dashboard on the Tableau desktop, and from here I have to create another account from Tableau, public Tableau, and then publish all my dashboard from Tableau desktop onto the public Tableau. And this is an example. So this is an example for the public Tableau, and this is my dashboard for the public Tableau. As you see here, there are share functions on a public Tableau that you they have either like the link for you to share with someone else, or you can embed the code onto your HTML site web page actually. So and this is the result after I copy and paste all, and this is my sample of HTML web page, by the way. So after I got my HTML page done, I can paste all the code that I got from the public Tableau on here, and then after that I will get my, and then after that this is the result. I have all the data visualizations from the Tableau onto my web page. Thank you very much.